semester. Exercise 7, inverse Laplace transformation. Question number 1, part number 7. क्वेश्चन क्या है बच्चे? 5s स्क्वायर माइनस 15s माइनस 11 अपॉन s प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट क्लोज इंटू s माइनस 2 ब्रैकेट क्लोज होल क्यूब. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अप्लाई बाउंड्री कंडीशन, resolve by this partial fraction. This expression is equal to the a upon as plus 1, b upon as minus 2 and c upon as minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर, d upon as minus 2 का होल क्यूब. a comma b comma c and d are arbitrary chosen constant. We have to find out the value of a and b. Apply boundary condition. First boundary condition, case first, when x plus 1 is equal to the 0 implies करता है x is equal to the minus 1 and put s is equal to the minus 1 both side. Therefore 5 into minus 1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 15 into minus 1 minus 11 is equal to the a ब्रैकेट में minus 1 minus 2 होल क्यूब is equal to the 5 plus 15 minus 11 is equal to the a into minus 27. That is 9 is equal to the minus 27a, a is equal to the minus 1 by 3. First boundary condition, a is equal to the minus 1 by 3. Again second condition, when s minus 2 is equal to the 0, s is equal to the 2, put s is equal to the 2 in both sides. Therefore 5 into 4 minus 13 माइनस 11 इज इक्वल टू दी d ब्रैकेट में 2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू दी 20 माइनस 30 माइनस 11 इज इक्वल टू दी 3d और माइनस 21 इज इक्वल टू दी 3d, d इज इक्वल टू दी माइनस 7. सेकेंड कॉन्स्टेंट d इज इक्वल टू दी माइनस 7. कॉन्स्टेंट थर्ड, case third, coefficient of x cube we get, both side we get 0 is equal to the a plus b, 0 is equal to the minus 1 by 3 plus b, b is equal to the 1 by 3. Again case 4, put s is equal to the 0, minus 11 is equal to the minus 8a plus 4b minus 2c plus d. Put the value of a, b and d. We have minus 11 is equal to the minus 8 into minus 1 by 3 plus 4 into 1 by 3 minus 2c minus 7 is equal to the minus 8 is equal to the minus 2c. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 से 8 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 4 हो जाएगा. वैल्यू ऑफ c इज इक्वल टू दी 4 and put all these value in partial fraction and inverse Laplace transformation we have to find out. Put the value of a, put the value of b, put the value of c, put the value of d and apply the inverse formula of Laplace transformation. This is equal to the e की power minus t, this is equal to the e की power 2t and this is equal to the e की power 2t and minus 7 t square by 2 e की power 2t. This is required solution in this question. Thank you very much.